What's going on, YouTube? Greg, Southern Prospector here. And today we're going to be reviewing this one company called Goldn Paydirt. So I bought these buy one get one free. They were $54.99. Like I said, you buy one, you get one free. I weighed them. One's weighing 195.5 grams. The other one weighs 201.6 grams. This is going to be my first, this is part one and part two of reviewing this company. So you figure $54.99 for two bags, which, like you see, very, very tiny. So part two will be this bag right here, which is 2 pounds. From the same company, Goldn Paydirt. This one is Nugget Reserve 5XL Elite. They state it has 5 times more gold. 5 times of what though? I mean, they don't guarantee any gold. This one states it's Nugget Reserve Museum Specimen Chase. So I know this company has a lot of different bags of gold. And I know this company goes by numerous different names. I've already researched them on Better Business Bureau. I'll tell you what their rating is at the end of this video. But for today, we're going to review these two right here. We're going to run them through my sluice. And we're going to see how much gold comes out of them. And also, see what the ROI is, the return of investment. And then after part two is done, I'm going to review in another video this Rocker Box Paydirt. Now it says this one contains real Bering Sea gold. This one was $25 for one bag, and I bought 2 bags. So I got 2 bags of these. We're going to review that in my third video, but first I want to review this company, Goldn Paydirt, because I've heard some really bad things and I've heard some really good things. So we'll see what these 2 bags generate, how much gold comes out of here, and then part 2 we'll run this 2-pound bag through the sluice and also see what kind of gold we get. So stay with me. We're going to run down to the sluice and we're going to put this stuff through it.
I can already see 3 pieces of gold already starting to gather. That's like a little bit of history. Now this channel is going to be not only reviewing gold pay dirt, but I'm going to be traveling up the Cape Fear River and other rivers here in North Carolina to see where there might be gold. And if you guys want to come along with my journey, please like, subscribe, share, and I'll take you along with me and see how far we can go and where gold is, and I'll be panning for it and checking it all out. But this company, Goldn Paydirt, I've heard good reviews and I've heard bad reviews from them. So we're going to try to see what they offer. These 2 bags, like I said, they were buy one get one free. They were $54.99. Nothing is guaranteed with them, so we don't know what is in these gold bags. So, but you can definitely see some gold in the pan or in the sluice box. I don't know if you can catch that, but I will. What's going on, YouTube? So let's measure out what we found. So what we found, this little bit right here. We are going to weigh it up. .085. It's moving. That's what we're going to call it. Well, bouncing back and forth. We'll go 0.08 just to be safe. And for scale, this is what it looks like right here. And so doing the calculations, I counted, there's 15 little pieces of gold on here. And one good sized chunk right there. But like I said, there's only about 15 little flakes in here, which the sluice box did a good job and grabbed even that really, really tiny one right there. Did a really good job of pulling all these in. I went through the sluice again with the tailings, and nothing came out of it. So I'm safe to say that that sluice box totally did its job. Now again, this is the company, which is Goldn Paydirt Museum Specimen Chase. Nugget Reserve, there's no nuggets in here. And at 0.08 and about $54.99 for 2 bags. Again, this was 2 bags. That gives you an ROI, return of investment, of about maybe, it's like 15.9%, so about 16%. The gold itself is valued about $8.40, roughly, something like that. So to me, the return of investment does not meet how much you pay for this. I would imagine 60, 70% is what you really want to find for the gold. But like I said, the next video, this is part 1. Part 2, will be that 5x bag of gold. Now, it's on the website, it states it's supposed to be 5 times more gold, and it's supposed to guarantee a nugget. Now, I don't know how big the nugget, doesn't say anything. I don't know. It just says guarantee 1 nugget. So we'll see how that goes. But we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Again, if you want to follow my content, just like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. We'll be doing different things other than just researching companies, and we're going to actually be out there in the field panning in the future to come. Thanks again. Y'all take care. Bye.